Do you need replacement windows in Weatherby Lake, Missouri? The first question you're probably asking is what kind of windows you should get. There are several window materials on the market. Aluminum, wood, vinyl, and fiberglass are among the most popular. But not all of them are created equally, and some stand up to our climate better than others. Wood windows are beautiful, great insulators, and offer a classic look that gives any home a sense of rustic charm. However, they're also high maintenance and susceptible to sun and moisture damage, as well as warping. Aluminum windows are popular with homeowners who value panoramic views. They can provide thin yet strong frames with a lot of glass. But aluminum windows don't insulate or handle impacts very well. Definitely something to keep in mind during the winter when temperatures drop below freezing. Now, vinyl windows are probably the most popular window material around. Why? Well, because they're affordable, easy to manufacture, and come in a range of colors and styles. But they just don't cut it for our climate, especially after several years. Our fluctuating temperatures cause the vinyl to expand and contract, weakening it over time. Fiberglass windows are hands down the best option for Weatherby Lake, Missouri homeowners. At Midland Exteriors, we specialize in installing infinity fiberglass windows from Marvin. They're strong, beautiful, and are 8 times stronger than leading vinyl brands. So if you need replacement windows, there's no question whether fiberglass windows are the best for your home. Get in touch with Midland Exteriors to learn more.